Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bank of Baroda. Analyst maintains buy rating on Bank of Baroda with a target price of Rs 310. The bank has reported healthy business momentum in Q4 FY25. We believe the bank is likely to sustain ROA over 1% in the near to medium term. Cheap valuation, stable outlook, and a strong balance sheet drives our positive stance. At the current market price, the stock trades at 0.9x and 0.8x in FY26 and FY27 book value estimates. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in the last 12 months. Next, we have an update on Marico. Analyst maintains buy rating on Marico with a price target of Rs 780. As per the company's Q4 update, consolidated year-on-year revenue growth is in high teens. As steady growth trends across key segments was supplemented by incremental pricing interventions in the domestic business. India business posted a quarter-on-quarter uptick in underlying volume growth, while the international business delivered mid-teens constant currency growth. Within categories, Parachute coconut oil recorded high-teen revenue growth. Safala oil registered over 20% revenue growth, and foods and premium personal care sustained their robust momentum. Despite sharp input cost pressures and continued commitment towards A&P investments, operating profit is expected to marginally grow year-on-year. Stock trades at 40x FY27 earnings respectively. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.